Hey everyone, welcome to my another vlog. This vlog is a little special as I'm in my hometown, Bihar, and this is one of the district called Gopalganj which is very famous in Bihar. You might know if you are from Bihar or UP. So I thought of showing you everything about my village life that I was initially when I was a kid, and there are a lot of things which I need to explore and show you. If you are from north side, you'll connect more because when we live in the metro cities, you lose that touch. So whenever I come, that I always get that feeling and I enjoy it a lot. So there's also a house which is under construction, which I'll be showing you each and everything, and I'll also show you my first school when I went when I was a kid. And there are a lot of other memories also which I'm going to show you throughout this blog. So make sure you watch this blog completely to get that feeling of the village. Okay, so right now that you see is another memory which I wanted to show you. So one of the trees that you see back of me, there are we call it as ice apple in English, but in Hindi or our language we call it as tarkul ka ped. So basically we get some a non-alcoholic beverage out of it. There's a season and people enjoy it a lot. So right now it's been almost 15 years when we planted these trees, and it's almost 1, 2, 3, 4, 7, 8 trees are there. So probably another 3, 4 years it'll be ready to get that beverages. And there are two another trees which I planted, I remember. It is almost 12 years back, and right now that you see it is too tall. So and this farm which you see, this is our own farm which is very near to our house. And again, when I was a small kid, I used to run with my dadi and do those plantation. एक फ़नी सा स्टोरी है ये पर्टिकुलर ट्रीज़ के साथ. जब भी मैं छोटा था ना, तो एक कुछ भी चीज़ें किसी के खेत से चुरा के लेके यहाँ पे बैठ के आके खाता था. When I was exactly like this guy, show him. So यहाँ पे अभी ये बड़ा हो गया है. I might not be able to climb on top of this, लेकिन जब मैं छोटा था तो आगे खाता था. Still I remember. So जब भी इस ट्रीज़ को देखता हूँ तो चीज़ें याद आ जाती है. So let's go for the next one. Okay, so guys, it's almost 8 o'clock in the morning, and there's already a sunrise that happened. I thought of making a complete house tour, which I'll be doing it right now. I had my partner, he just went to his home, so probably I'll have to do it myself and shoot the complete home tour. So basically, if you look at my hand, this is the main gate that we have, and once we enter, my home looks something like this. Previously this was the home, and later once we started constructing, now it is going to be the next version of it. So I'll show you each and everything right from starting to the front to the back, that what is the plan and how it is going to look like once we complete the construction. So let's get started with the home tour. So once we enter to the house, basically you will see something like this. So this is the main gate that we have, and this is we have a neem tree on the front. And once we enter inside, this is our house is going to look like. Right now it is under construction, it is under plastering, so it might not be the best versions of itself, but once we go ahead, probably 2-3 months down the line, you will see the exact structures that we have planned about. Let's go inside and show you everything. So if I come inside, this is the common area that we have. It's almost 20 by 10 in terms of square feet. And once we go to the right hand side, we have one room which is for our dadi. And this is also under construction. You see things are not looking clean and tidy, so probably once we finish it, then it will look. Now once you enter from here, we have a main gate that you see, and once you enter, there are almost 6 rooms to the left and to the right. So basically we have divided 3 by 3. So once we see here, there is a puja room. I do not know this is the puja room, but this actually looks like kitchen to me. My dadi says this is puja room. And on the top of it, we have a storage house. And towards the right, we have steps to go on the stairs. So I'll go ahead. So here you see there's one bedroom, which is almost 15 by 10 would be the square size. The bedrooms are very bigger actually. I mean, we can easily keep lots of what do we call the furnitures and everything. Once we come in the front, we have another bedroom with bigger window and a small staircase to keep all the utilities items. And then on the other side, we have another bedroom. Here we have more light, and this we have recently finished the flooring part, the basic flooring, the base that we will make, that they are still working on, and they have completed. So you see there is more light here, and this looks clean and tidy little bit compared to other rooms, right? Okay, coming to the another one. So I completed 3 rooms. Now once we go to another one, this is another big room. Okay, so this is the biggest room among all 6 that you see. It's almost here. There are 2 windows inside this, and similarly you will be getting the same staircase on the top, right? Coming back to this side again, there's one door here which will basically opens to the backyards. I'll try to open this. Okay, so this is how the backyard is. The complete. There's one farm behind this. Basically, that is the continuation of this. It belongs to us. This is some lychee ka ped, and there are some vegetables that they've grown. Coming back, these 2 rooms are little darker side because the light source is very less here, so you see completely dark, so things are not clearly visible, but probably we'll have to put more lights in this. And then we have this room. This is still more darker than the previous one. This is towards the right hand side while we enter from the room, so I think there's no point of showing this. It is very similar to other bedrooms that we have. Coming back, I will go on the top staircase. Okay, so I have opened. This is the staircase area. You see this is in the front that we have, and this side is the backyard. You see, complete thing. So if you see behind this, it's completely lots of greenery, lots of trees. There are not a lot of houses that you see around, and yeah, so this is the surrounding that looks like. Okay, and here you see this is the washroom area. I do not know why they have constructed separated from the house. Probably that is how they follow here. I mean, they will not keep the washrooms and everything inside the house. It will be separate all the time. These are some mango trees. Usually in the summer season I'll be seeing mangoes, ऐसा लगता रहता है. So that is what. So guys, that was the house tour that I had to show you. I hope you liked it, and I will also show you the final version of it when it is finally completed, probably by the upcoming Diwali. We are expecting to complete each and everything, right from painting to whatever flooring, wiring, everything will be completed along with the lightings as well. So till then, I'll be making another vlog of it once it is completed. Right now, you can consider it as a part 1 of my house tour. There will be part 2 as well, which will be coming after when it is completed. So yeah, I hope you liked it. Now we'll move to the next section of this vlog. Bye bye.